Hey everybody, this is Brett, and I want to pass on some information that's really important to you this morning because I have learned that if I don't keep running psyllium husk and seed and bentonite clay through this body, that I will get sick, I will get dehydrated, I will get depressed. Okay? And so it's taking years to cleanse all the whatever that's accumulated in this sponge of a body from having lived in the city and having lived on busy roads and breathed auto exhaust and everything else from years and years of that to get it out of this body. And I want to just keep striving towards a cleaner and cleaner environment, but it takes time. It takes time. And so there it is, getting downed again. And I'll do an herbal laxative in between that generally has Casera Sagrada in it. Here's one that I'm taking. The Grandma's Herb Super Lax has, what does it have in it? Casera Sagrada, psyllium seeds, senna, turkey rhubarb, aloe vera, barberry, slippery elm. So there you go. If you're not feeling good, you have to run this. You have to run that through your body. And if you want, you can run diatomaceous earth and or charcoal through there too. They all absorb toxins and bacteria, etc. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Be well.